Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this scary Polaroid photo in Gemini. So this is perfect for Halloween. I'm just going to insert a picture of a person and like a picture of a ghost. You can use like any Halloween characters that you'd like. This is just something random. Paste this prompt. I will put it in the description box down below, but change like with the ghost touching my head, and then here just delete the two people part, replace the background behind with a white curtain, and then press enter. I'm so excited to use this prompt. I know which character I'm going to be using, and it's Art the Clown. Just favorite character ever. Sorry, favorite Halloween character. I'm sorry, you're not like my favorite character ever. You're just my favorite Halloween character ever, but still a favorite. Anyways, this is what it's going to look like. Super creepy. Obviously you can change it with whatever character you want. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.